First, start by creating a duplicate layer. Then, invert the layout using the shortcut Ctrl-I. Convert the layout to a smart object. This allows non-destructive editing. Then select Vivid Light. Go to the Filter menu and select High Pass. Under the Filter menu again, select Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and select a value appropriate for the resolution of the image. Create a black layer mask. Selecting Ctrl-Delete will transition the white layer mask to a black layer mask. Then select the brush tool. A soft, round brush should be selected with an appropriate size. The opacity is set to 100%. This can be adjusted for the finer areas if needed. Then, simply brush over the blemish areas you want to remove. This is a simple, quick approach that can produce effective results.